Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping, and it's day 11 of Off the Board. And this is my inspiration today. It is a greeting card with a cut out hexagon band down the side. So I thought, well, I can use that for a layout. So I created a hexagon band on my canvas workspace for my brother scan and cut, and then cut that out. And I probably should have started with a photo, but anyway, I've done that. Got some embellishments, got some cats, and this is my photo. This is my cat Angel. We call her Angel Schmangel. And my daughter made this sign and put it on my office door, taped it to my office door, because this cat just keeps coming in, getting in the way, and she will lay behind my chair so I cannot move. She tries to eat the backing of the double-sided tape if there's any on the floor. She tries to eat any plastic she can find. And then I used to let her in, and then she kept getting in the way, and I was stuck. I couldn't move my chair. So then I started closing the door, opening it overnight when I'm not in here so she can come in and explore, making sure there's nothing on the floor she can get into. She's getting old and she's got arthritis, so I know she won't jump up on the tables. But about a month ago, we were outside, I think in the lounge room, and we heard a noise, and my daughter comes in and was trying to find out what the noise was, and the cat was near the bin, and the bin was tipped over sideways, and everything was sort of coming out of the bin, so she must have tried to get into it to get to some back of the tape or something, I don't know. So now she's banned altogether. The door's permanently closed. She's not allowed in. So my daughter thought it was funny. This is before I permanently closed the door, to put this sign on the door because I kept trying to shoo her away all the time. Yeah, because she just kept getting in the way. But anyway, that's the photo. We love her dearly, but she's actually the spawn of the devil, this cat. Anyway, that's Angel. So I've got some embellishments, and again, this is from the Willow and Grace line from Uniquely Creative that has just been released. And I thought, I've got to do a layout of the cat since it's just been released, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And that looks like Angel. That is such an angel. Anyway, got some embellishments. I'm going to do a little bit of stamping. And the stamp's an old one, Comfort and Hope. Just going to use this hatched stamp here. My title is simple. It's just going to be Meow. And this is from an old basic grey sticker sheet. And I just cut it in half so I could fit it in my folder better. It's the only alpha I've got in brown. But anyway. And I'm going to use some Doodlebug sprinkles at the end. Probably this colour to tie in more of the background and this doily here. And I think that's it. So what I'm going to do with these hexagons on the card for the sample, they're all multicolours and all bright. What I thought I'd do is pop these little pussycats in each little hexagon. Something like that. And have them all down the side. I thought that would be really cute. So that's what I'm going to do. Might not look any good in the end, but that's the idea. Okay, so let's get this page started. Okay, there's my layout. I think all these little cats are so cute. Oh my goodness, I love that. It took me a while to get into the rhythm of how to do it though. I did it the hard way to start with. Eventually I worked out to use double-sided tape instead of glue and to trim them before I put them down. By the time I got to the last one, I had the hang of it. Anyway, that is it. If you have any questions about anything I have used, anything I have done, please comment below. Make sure you check out the playlist for everyone else who's playing along with Off the Board in July. And if you've liked this page, give me the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.